everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm here to tell you all how I got rid of my itchy scalp, my dandruff, and how I improved the overall health of my scalp using one easy treatment and one regular use of an amazing tool. So what I'll be doing in this video is making a hair mask for my scalp. Here's what you'll need: bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar, a glass bowl, a wooden utensil, a spray bottle, peppermint oil, water, and of course, Vanity Planet's scalp massaging shampoo brush. Now this treatment is amazing at exfoliating your scalp and getting rid of any product buildup that you may have. It'll help you break up any stubborn flakes you may have on your scalp and clear away any dirt and dandruff and flakes, anything that you may have on your scalp and roots. All of that dirt and buildup and dandruff and dry skin and all that, when you have all of those things built up on your scalp, that may lead to unbearable itchiness, and this is the cure. So the first thing we'll need to do to prep our scalp for our hair mask is to exfoliate our scalp. If you're doing this on dry hair, then you want to mist your hair first. I chose to use peppermint oil in my mist because peppermint oil is a really good ingredient when it comes to cleaning products. So that'll really help to exfoliate as much as I possibly can on my scalp by using peppermint oil in my water. Also, peppermint oil, that tingle, man, that's an unforgettable sensation, and it's really good for stimulating blood flow to your scalp. And you want blood flow to your scalp, which will in turn help to produce healthy hair growth and a healthy scalp. So once my hair has been misted, now I'll be using my Vanity Planet scalp massaging shampoo brush, and I'll be using that to massage my scalp. These bristles are not hard, they're not soft, but they're firm enough to really break away any buildup you may have on your scalp, whether it's product buildup, sweat and dirt, dandruff, all of that. It'll help to break it away, lift it from the surface so it can be easily washed out. This tool is so easy to use. It fits right in your hand, super comfortable. It's battery operated, so once you turn it on, it vibrates. So this tool is not only a great tool to use prior to your scalp masks, but this tool is a really good tool to use on a regular basis. So I like to use it when I'm applying oils to my scalp. I use it to massage it in. That will also help to encourage hair growth as well as just improve the overall health of your scalp. But I also like to use it for what it's called. It's the Vanity Planet scalp massaging shampoo brush. So it's really great to use when you're washing your hair in the shower or in the sink or wherever you wash your hair. In the rain. Just kidding. This brush is a must-have, so make sure you check the link below in my description box and get yours for 50% off with my coupon code LOCTALK. So once I feel like my scalp has been really worked up, I massaged it all over, I feel like I lifted up all the gunk and buildup and grossness and dandruff, all of that. I feel like it's been lifted from my scalp so it can be easily removed. Now it's time for me to apply my mask. Mixing the apple cider vinegar into the bentonite clay. Remember to use glass or wooden utensils because you don't want to use metal, okay? Metal will bond to the clay and it will disturb its effectiveness. This clay can absorb that metal, and you don't want that metal to be redistributed into your scalp and into your body or wherever you may use this mask. So with my hands, I guess you can use a dye brush if you want to, but I'll just use my hands. My nails are short right now, so I don't mind. I use my hands and I distribute it all over my scalp. Once I make sure that it's on every inch of my scalp, I massage it into my root. And I do this until I feel it start to harden. And once it starts to harden, I just leave it alone and let it completely harden. In about 20 minutes or so, I feel like it's completely dry, and now I'll go and wash it out. At this point, I know the clay has gotten rid of any toxins I may have on my scalp and my roots, and I'm excited to see my results. After washing it out thoroughly with the aid of my Vanity Planet scalp massaging shampoo brush, I was really amazed at my result. I just wish you guys could feel my hair through the camera. My hair felt so soft. Do you see this? It felt incredibly soft, incredibly moisturized. Mind you, my hair right here, it is not oiled. So all of this shine is natural. My hair felt incredibly clean. All of the itchiness completely gone. All of the buildup completely washed away. No flakes, no dandruff, nothing. I was so amazed at how well it worked on my scalp and my roots that I must try it on the length of my locks. Now I know that's gonna take a lot of clay, but I'm up for the challenge. So stay tuned to see me try that mask on all of my locks. Since that mask made my roots feel so amazing and rejuvenated, I just know that it'll make my locks feel the same. I just hope that it's not too much of a struggle to wash out my locks, but I'm up for the challenge. Stay tuned. Make sure you're subscribed to see that video. Thank you so much, Vanity Planet, for sponsoring this video. I absolutely adore the scalp massaging shampoo brush. You guys have seen me review it so many times on my YouTube channel. It's because it's great. A lot of you have gotten this brush with my coupon code LOCTALK, and you've given me excellent results. You all like to use it, so I will continue to promote this to make sure you all have access to it. It's a great tool for you to use, like I said, to massage your scalp, to exfoliate your scalp, shampoo, all of that, the whole nine. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me a comment below. Make sure you check out my store, lovelightlocs.storeenvy.com, and you can check out my book, More Than a Hair Journey, The Black Woman's Guide to Self-Love and Lock Maintenance, is on sale now. Follow me on Instagram at KillaDoesThat. Follow my shop's Instagram at LoveLightLocks. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.